In today's video, we are going to look at and compare three text-to-image models: Flux-Krea, Qwen-Image, and Wan2.2. I will use the same prompt for all three models so we can clearly see where each model does better. Flux-Krea give you a good mix of things. It's make realistic image, keeps the details sharp, and works well in many different types of scenes, from warm and sunny portrait to dark shots. Qwen-Image has more creative look. It often makes bright color and strong lighting, giving the picture a dramatic and movie-like style. Wan 2.2 can also make realistic pictures, but is especially good at adding style, beautiful colors, which make it stand out in artistic and moody scenes. So each model has its own strong point. And now I will show you how to install all three models on your local computer so you can generate your own images too. Before we start, we need to update Comfy to ensure all models and image generations features work smoothly. To do this, go to the Comfy Windows Portable folder, open the update folder and run the update Comfy file. This will update Comfy to the latest version. Once you have updated the Comfy, run the run NVIDIA GPU file to start the Comfy server. Open the website from the link in the video description, then go to the workflow tab. I have added all three workflows here. You can click on the download button to get all three text to image workflows. Once downloaded, drag and drop the file into the Comfy browser and the workflow will automatically load. For the Flux-Krea model, there are two versions available: the FP8 scale model and the full model. You can use the FP8 scale model if you want faster generation, but for this video I am using the full version, the Flux-Krea dev model, for the better quality. Now download the clip file and the text encoder file and put it inside a clip folder. Also download the VIE file and move it to the VIE folder. Once all the models are in the right folder, we can start generating images. Now in the K-sampler settings, you can adjust the CFG and the numbers of steps. For this image, I used 25 steps, but later I tried with 50 steps and the image quality was slightly better and a bit more refined. Based on your system performance, feel free to change the step and the CFG value to improve your results. Now here are some examples generated using Flux-Krea. In some of the images I used short prompts with few details, and as you can see the results were not as good as the others. So I strongly suggest writing a well structured prompt with clear lighting and as many details as possible to get the best results. Now let's install the Qwen-Image workflow. Just drag and drop the downloaded Qwen workflow into the Comfy browser and it will automatically load. Once it's loaded, you need to download three models: the diffusion model, place it inside the diffusion folder, the text encoder, and place it inside the text encoder folder, and the VIE model. After placing all the models in the collect folder, the workflow is ready to run. Before generating an image, adjust the K-sampler settings. In this video, I am using 50 steps and a CFG to 2.5. You can change this value depending on your system performance. Now let's take a look at some example images created with the Qwen workflow so you can see the quality it produces. Now we will work with Wan 2.2 text to image workflow. Simply drag and drop the workflow into the Comfy browser and it will load automatically. All the model links are in the video description, and I am also using LightText LoRA model to speed up the image generation. Before generating images, set your sampler to RES2S and the scheduler to the bong tangent. If you don't have RES2S sampler and the bong tangent scheduler, First, open the GitHub link provided in the video description. Once you are there, navigate to the Comfy UI Windows Portable folder. Then open the Comfy UI folder. Then go to Custom Node folder. In the address bar at the top, type cmd and press enter. This will open a terminal in this location. Next, copy the git clone command from the GitHub repository and paste it into the terminal. When the cloning is finished, you will need to install the required Python packages. So just copy the pip install command from the video description and paste it to the terminal and press enter. Once the installation is complete, the sampler and the scheduler will be ready. And now restart the ComfyUI server and everything will work perfectly. Now you can see the sampler and the scheduler are listed. Now you can simply write your prompt and adjust the steps and CFG. I am using 4 steps in high noise and 4 steps in low noise. But you can change these values depending on your system performance. Once you have set everything, just press run and your image will be generated. Now here are the some examples created using the Wan2.2 text to image workflow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any problems, write in the comments and I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.